Hello, today I am going to tell you about my daily routine to go to class. Which I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I brush my teeth so that they don't get damaged. I wash my face with water and I drink myself with soap and make breakfast. Varying different food for each day. Then I see if I have clothes to wash. I watch it I change clothes that fit my for every day. And I ride my bicycle to the university to receive my clothes and 12 o'clock point alone to why I am buying and Gatorade to drink.